So again, if you have an equation like this with one letter, so you see how these are all the same letter x, not x and y, but if you just have x, okay, there's a way to have it solved for you in Desmos, okay? So check it out. If I type it in the way that it is, okay, I'm gonna just type it 3x plus 4 parentheses x minus 7 parentheses equals 20 plus x. Okay. If you type in an equation, does it give you anything on the graph or does it give you any answer? No. So if you tweak two little things, you change two things, you can get the answer. Sound good? So turn that x into what letter?
N.
Technically, it's anything besides x and y, but I pick n because it's n for number. Okay, whatever. It reminds me of nsolve when we use the inspires. Okay, so x turns into n. Still no answer. The equals cannot be an equals. It needs to be a squiggly or a tilde is the name of it. So now look, with the same equation, n instead of x, squiggle instead of equals, you are given under the word parameters n equals 8. So guess what the answer is? 8. Now, should you be able to do all the multiple multi-step equation steps? I mean, technically, yes. I would love for you to do that. However, can you use this anytime you want in my class and any other class? Okay. Now, I think you should have already known this from last year, but reminders help, right? Especially on the STAR test. Use what you can, right? If you're allowed to use Desmos, know all the tips and tricks, right? So part of what we're doing here is I really want you to try to learn the real deal, but also like know the other way. Cool? Trying to help. Especially on that last quiz. So I know I probably upset a bunch of y'all with the grades here today, but we're gonna spend today working on it, okay? I really do need people working on the Delta assignments. I had a lot of people not do the second one, so it would be nice to just do that, please. Do the Delta assignments. Anything on that sheet, look right here. If it says 1, that means it's missing. 1 is code, missing. Okay? Usually there's a little like exclamation point next to it. That means also missing. But guess what? You can still do it, and you got time today to do it. I really need you to do the assignments that you're missing, correct anything you've been given back, and if your quiz grade is low, I will let you work on it today in class. You are allowed to work on the corrections in class. Sound like a plan? I will always let you bring it up. So if you get a low grade, don't sweat. You can always bring it up. And if you see something wrong, I'll fix it. I promise. Okay. So nothing new today, but if you're looking at your average, you might need to be working on something, right? Okay. So let's do that, please.